Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Menaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve a pure access to the command prompt has been denied. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung registry editor, and then click mo lang dito yung open. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you to create a backup file so that anything go wrong, you could easily restart it back. In order to create a backup, so it's very simple. Dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung file, and then select mo lang dito yung export. And then pop up itong export registry file. So select ka lang dito kung saan mo isisave yung file. And then I recommend sa paglagay ng file name and date. So kailangan ilagay mo din yung date mga kaibigan. Right? So include mo siya. And then click mo lang dito yung save. Okay? So if you want to restore it back. So very simple lang din. So same procedure. Dito lang sa taas. I-click mo lang dito yung file. And then select mo lang dito yung import. And then dito sa import registry file, so ilocate mo lang siya kung saan mo sinave. Right? So proceed na tayo. So ang next step dito lang sa computer, and then kailangan mo lang select dito yung HK local machines. So kailangan mo lang mag-double click dito. And then dito sa local machine, and then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung software. So double click on it. And then dito sa software, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung policy, and then ito na siya. Okay, so dito sa policy, so kailangan mo lang siyang mag-double click. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Microsoft, so double click on it. And then dito sa Microsoft, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Windows. So dito kailangan mo ulit mag-double click. And then dito sa Windows, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung system. Ito siya. So dito kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung kanyang settings. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung disable CMD. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin itong i-delete. Okay? So click mo lang yan. Right click. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong delete. Okay, so click mo na yung delete. And then confirm value delete. And then are you sure you want to permanently delete this value? And then click mo lang dito yung yes. Alright, so ang next step, so close lang natin tong registry file. So close and then back tayo. And then dito now sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix command prompt access denied to administrator on Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.